Hey, what's up? So in this video today, we're going to be looking at how you can use split screen on your Android phone. And it's honestly a really cool feature. You can basically multitask, like write a note while you're reading something, you know what I mean? So it can save you a lot of time flipping through apps, going back and forward through them. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple. I'm doing this on my Samsung S23 or S22 Ultra, sorry. And I've also tried it out on the Samsung S10, so it's worked on both. So let's get right into it. What you're gonna do is, if you see on my screen on the bottom there, the three vertical dots, you're gonna click that. And you're gonna need to have an app open, right? At least one app open down there on the bottom for it to work. Another thing to note is some apps don't work with it. So I've tested YouTube and I've tested Google Chrome and they work. I don't believe Instagram works, but either way, like some apps will not work, some will. So what you do is when you click these three dots, is you can see like the YouTube logo on top of the YouTube video there. We're just gonna hold that and let go. And when you let go, it does that. So as you can see now, I have YouTube at the top and I can scroll down like this. I can watch videos. I've tested that as well, but I'm not gonna do that in this video because if I hit the video to play, then the sound won't record because of this software that I'm using. So for comparison, it says down here, select split screen app. So I'm gonna use Chrome, but like you can also search for a kind of app you want. So we're gonna hit that. And now, as you can see, I can scroll down here. I can scroll up here. Also, right below the plus sign on the YouTube app, you can see that little horizontal line. So you can use that to adjust the ratio for the screen. So if you want YouTube to be bigger or you want, I don't know, Google Chrome to be bigger, you can do that. So that's basically how you use split screen on Android. Like I said, I've tested it on this phone and S10, so it should work on pretty much any phone, I'm assuming. But yeah, that's how you do it. So if you want to do it again really quickly, go down, hit those three dots, and then we're gonna hit hold on, let me close that. So let me open up YouTube, hit the three dots, click on the YouTube logo at the top, hold it, let go, and as you can see, we're back where we were. And now we can I can do this app which I made like years ago. But as you can see, my app I can't scroll down on because it's not, like, I haven't updated this app that I developed for a while. So that some apps will work, some won't. But that's basically how you can do the split screen in Android. It's a really cool feature. You can definitely multitask and kill two birds with one stone, as they say. So I hope that video helps you guys out. If you have any further questions, let me know. And make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.